So even before coming, I enrolled. I wanted to be part of this, but I did not. Just 2 days before, all the physical things started. I did not want to go. Why am I troubling myself like this? Why am I putting myself like this? So all that, upheaval and all was there going on, and I worked on myself. I made sure that I was there. But after that, it's like, it's like chilled out. So the best is that chilled out hands-on learning experience. It's beautiful, and thank you so much for that. I actually am thankful for to the pandemic for this, because learning has become much more open, because wouldn't have been able to travel all the way to Bombay at this time, because I would be working. So this weekdays coming and staying there in Bombay for 4 days would have been very difficult. So I actually enrolled for the weekend one, the Feb one. So they said it's changed to this. So I wouldn't have been able to do that, because kids would have been booked and all that stuff. So I'm really thankful for this that I'm able to sit at my home and able to learn from you.
It was a beautiful experience, Mispa, as I've
Yeah,
experienced
definitely.
before also. So I am motivating my own students who are under me uh, to join the course, and one of them, Disha Rathore, has already joined. The clarity which is there about the techniques, which we need to apply for especially anxiety clients.
My takeaway is okay. Actually, it was like a self for me more than going to work on a patient. And for the first time after yesterday's to practice, I took my car from down to up. I drive down on a slope, and yeah, it was quite good. I was happy, but while parking again took the.
कोई बात नहीं धीरे धीरे you will reach there.
So that was like good. I think I can work with the patients because I have a lot of anxiety wala patients.
It was my first session with ICHARS, and I found it very helpful and effective. I got the structure of sessions and all the mindfulness and all techniques, the structure. I got it from this.